I don't have a job. I can't find a job, and I will never have a job again in my life because I'm 71 years old. In a world where age often dictates opportunity, my story shatters stereotypes. At 71, facing unemployment and a bleak financial future, I embarked on a journey that transformed my life. Despite being a stranger to technology, I defied the odds, leveraging it to create a sustainable income stream. Today, I'm sharing my remarkable journey and invite others to join me in embracing a new way of earning. 8 years ago, I attended the launch of a business model that allows all South Africans to create a sustainable monthly income by simply using technology. And now it's not another networking company, but it is a brand new business model designed for South Africans by South Africans to fit South African circumstances. The reality is that I am BC before computers and not good with technology, and now I decided to enter the world of technology. Am I crazy or what? But I realized that if I don't adapt to the changing environment, I will be left behind. I was willing to learn how to do it, and if I can do it, I believe that any other person can do the same. Especially the youngsters. You don't have any excuses anymore. Why work 45 years to end up broke in retirement like me? If you can build an unlimited income that you have full control over in the same period. The question that you need to ask yourself is this: are you serious about making money, and are you willing to put in the effort to achieve a better lifestyle? The problem is that people view all new things with suspicion. It's one of those things. They are skeptical and do not take the time to do their due diligence and look at the facts before they make any decisions. Yes, there are many scams out there, which is why I am only sharing the information with you, and then you must decide about the facts and decide if this is a fit for you or not. What is the danger in checking the facts for yourself and then make an informed decision on learning how to make money like I do? If you are desperate enough, you'll set aside your preconceived ideas and look at the facts. Hi, my name is Lynette Badenhorst. I'm from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa, and I'm an independent contractor who's been successfully using the DewPoint Wealth Creation System for more than 8 years. Yes, I was one of the founding members. I am currently a rank 11 wealth engineer, and I believe that every South African can benefit from the DewPoint Wealth Creation System. There are many young people who are unemployed or even under debt review who used this monthly performance bonuses to become debt-free and is now earning a regular monthly income. There are pensioners who no longer worry about their financial survival, and all age groups in between are making money. Was this easy? Not at all, because we are working with people and it's not always easy. But it's like the Englishmen say, it's magic. It turned my life around. DewPoint is like any other business. What you put in is what you get out. There are thousands of people working with me to better their own lives. Our lives has changed dramatically. Both me and my husband were retrenched in 1997 and 1998, and we couldn't find jobs in 27 years. We tried everything and nothing produced a recurring income. It was all activity-based. Even your job is activity-based. If you stop the activity, your income also stops. That was until we attended the launch of the DewPoint Wealth Creation System in 2016. Yes, I was skeptical about all their big promises of free cars and 5-star family holidays and large cash bonus. Remember, nobody earned a single cent because we were on the launch. But over the 8 years, now that I'm involved, they have honored every single promise they have made and even improved on them. Today, I'm one of the top earners and grateful for the opportunity to get myself out of the financial mess we were in. I've already received a free car, lots of cash bonuses, and we are going on a 5-star luxury family holiday every single year. And my income is growing every month, and that is the main reason why I started. What more do you want? Is there another way you can earn a legal income? Go and do it. But in 27 years of unemployment, I haven't found anything else that yields the same results as the Dew Point Wealth Creation System is giving me. It's legal, it's simple to do, and it works. It only costs you a measly R279 product payment to get started, and you enjoy the product benefits as well. Even if you do nothing, you still get the product benefits. And yes, I know you don't have money. That is why you are watching this video. And R279 is a lot of money for you. But if you see the R279 per month as an obstacle, you don't see the R50,000 per month income it can bring into your budget. I see this as compulsory product payment as your input cost in your own business, and it is always less than your transport cost, even if you do get a job. But think about this. What will a R50,000 per month do to your lifestyle? Or even R5,000 if you get it every month. The opportunity is there for every South African to use. Whether you like to work in the financial services industry or not is not important. It is because at the end of the day, it's the money being deposited in your own bank account that justifies the decision to use this legal system. For the first time in South African history, ordinary people like me can earn an income in the financial services sector without having to comply with all the strict rules and regulations that is governing the sector. How is that possible? Simply because we don't sell products, but simply refer people to a website that contains all the information. And then the selling happens on their website, and Dew Point takes over the services to service your client. That is their part of the deal. You get the leads for them and they pay you on every successful connection. Each person reviews the information and decides for themselves whether they also want to make money and simply copycat you. They register online, use my Wealth Engineer number, which is W1 0000944, and can start working immediately without a single cent leaving their pockets. Can it made easier to earn an income? Because the products are chosen so that they are products that everyone needs and will use for the rest of their lives, like funeral cover or primary health care coverage. It creates accumulating recurring income on a one-time input. You build your own portfolio of clients like brokers are doing, and it belongs to you and your descendants. Dew Point is handling all the technical issues, the training, and they service your clients. But you are getting the recurring lead fee for sharing the information. This way, you are building an unlimited income in the comfort of your home or at lunchtime in your office. My question today is, are you in the market to earn an extra income? Contact me. My number is in the bio so that I can explain the system to you. You can get more information at www.lynettebadenhorst.com, LINNETTEBADENHORST.com, or contact me on 082 783 5661. The information is free.